E, E, E. It means the short sound of letter I is E, E, E. Okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3, let's go. Baby shark, toot, 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 baby shark, toot, 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 baby shark. Mommy shark, toot, 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 mommy shark, toot, 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 mommy shark. Daddy shark, toot, 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 daddy shark, toot, 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 daddy shark. Yeah. Hello baby, baby pong, mommy and daddy. Daddy shark, mommy shark and baby shark. Okay, today English class again. We study about letter. Satipong, do you remember the letter we already learned last week? Do you remember? Do you remember? That letter is letter 10. Oh, upside down, sorry. Letter H. Letter H. H is for how. Our how. H is for helicopter. H for hand. H for hammer. We already learned. Okay. Today, mommy have one more letter. Today, mommy have one more letter. Hello. Okay, let's see together. It means letter. Okay, mommy get key first. Quick. Yay! Letter I. Can you say it? I. Satipong, can you say it? I. Look at mommy mouth. I. I. Not G. I. Satipong, can you say it? I. I for what? I for what? Hey! Ooh. I for ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. I for ice cream. Right? I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Okay, good job. One more. That is the animal. Good. Iguana. Can you say it? Iguana. Iguana. Satipong, can you say it? Iguana. Iguana. I for iguana. I for iguana. Okay, one more. Ten. Igloo. I for igloo. I for igloo. Okay, I for igloo. It's like a house, but it's so cold at that place. Okay, can you say it? Igloo. I for igloo. One more left. Ink. I for ink. I for ink. Okay? The ink we put inside our marker and then you can write. Okay, can you say I for ice cream? I for iguana. I for igloo. I for ink. The sound of letter I is E, E, E. E, E, E. It means the short sound of letter I is E, E, E. Okay? I for ice cream. I for iguana. I for igloo. I for ink. Okay? I. Hey. Okay. Ice cream. Yeah. Iguana. Ice cream. Iguana. Ice cream. Iguana. Ice cream. Iguana. Ice cream. Iguana. Which one is ice cream? Satipong. Ice cream. Yeah, good job. It is ice cream. I like to eat ice cream. It's yummy. It's cold. Okay. One more. Which one is iguana? The animal. It is ice cream. You already choose it, baby. Iguana. It's animal. Iguana. It is ice cream, baby. It is. This one is iguana. Good job. Iguana. Well done, baby. Can you say it? Iguana. Iguana. Ice cream. Ice cream. I for iguana. I for igloo. I for ice cream. I for ink. Okay. Good job. Okay, one more. I will let you choose. This is letter I. We studied today. I. Which one is I? I. Letter I we learned today. Which one is letter I? Good job. That one is letter I. Well done. Oh, you stole my letter away. Why? It is letter I. I for ice cream. I for iguana. I for igloo. I for ink. Can you say it? I. 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 Oh. I. I. Okay. Good job. Thank you. High five. Give me high five. Okay. One more. Good job.